unboxing of these. These are so 3 wireless Mickey editions. Make this a fast one. Try to do this one-handed. Music makes this magic. I don't know why, but I feel like there's something hidden behind here. So I got these kind of used from a retail store that sells them. That's why there's no charger. They gave us 2 other chargers, but I don't have them in the box at the moment. Got your original cord, so you use the wireless. So you got the matching carabiner. And in the next clip, I'll open this up, and let's be right back. So when you open this, you get your 90-year sticker and your paperwork. So if you're using an Android, you tap the B 2 times fast to go to the next one, tap it 3 times fast to go to the previous song, and then tap it once to pause, and then unpause is tap it once. The reason why there's a sticker on here is because it's under warranty still. Or not really, but if something goes wrong with this, we can exchange it for another pair. I think they have like 4. So here's a good look at them. You got your wireless. And the buttons are on the wireless side, yep. So volume up, volume down, pause, play, and then 1, 2, next song, and then 1, 2, 3 for the previous song. And your cord is plugs in there, headphone plugs in there, and power on there. Let's get a look at the case. It's a soft case, it's not a hard shell. Inside, you have the Disney logo. I don't think I showed the bottom of this. Okay, yeah, this is on the bottom. I don't want to show this, but it's a little damaged, but that's okay. Yeah, so basically turn them on, you hold this down. So to connect to an Android, you hold it down a bit, and you can see it's turning flash. Now it's going to be syncing. Turn that off, you just hold it a little bit, there you go, and that's off. So there's a good look at the Mickey ones. And the sticker will come off fine, it won't do any damage to it. And pretty much Solo 2, or I mean there's Solo 3 wireless. It's accidentally hit pause, but yeah. Pretty good look at them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna unbox. Next unboxing will be Studio 3s. So again, there's a look at the front, and the saying that makes music, makes it magic. And why don't we have this Mickey there, and it looks like you can cut this out. I feel like there's something there behind it, I'm not sure. So yeah. I don't really like to cut into stuff, but I think there's something hidden there. You get a matching headphone cord, and again, like I said, this one didn't come with the proper charging cord, so they threw in like 3 charging cords for it, pretty much. So thanks everybody for watching, and there's an unboxing of this.